Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So today I have another unboxing, as I promised from my last video. Now this is not from Dooney & Burke or I Love Dooney, but rather it's from dhgate.com. And as you guys know, I order from them from time to time, and I actually do enjoy getting products from them. They are a company that does dupes and replicas of bags and other accessories, and I really enjoy ordering from them. And so what I did was I've already unboxed it. I didn't like how my first video came out, so I'm just going to show you. I put it back in its box. But yeah, it's not a handbag, but it's an accessory. And it's something that I've only ever owned one of before, one or two. But I was really excited to get this one, and I got the medium size. So as you can see, it was in plastic, and it was just taped all around and stuff like that. And then I also have bubble wrap. So as you can see already, it came in this cute little box, says Louis Vuitton. It did get smashed a little bit, so I'll probably not use the box. But yeah, it's got a little pull tab there, so let me pull that out. So inside was this, says Louis Vuitton, little dust bag, and care instructions as well. Like I said, this is a dupe/replica bag item. So undid it, and here's the paper. It says Louis Vuitton. Again, I apologize for my lighting. I am so sorry. I'm working on that, but I'm going to get better next time. But you guys will kind of get the gist of what this is. It's not like a huge, purchase, so you might not be missing out. But here is the item. Gosh, that's really dark. But yeah, it's fairly dark in person. But this is like, I think it's called the medium organizer. Correct me if I'm wrong. But here's the back. And it is an organizer, so when you open it up, it looks like this. Sorry, hit the camera there. But yeah, this says 2021 to 2024, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card slots. So you could use it for credit cards or business cards. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And here's your little calendar. So it's just at a glance calendar through 2024. And it's address book. So it says address book at the top. You can put the phone numbers, and that is a really old symbol of a telephone there. There's two different old telephones in there, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, and the rest is just blank. So for notes or shopping lists, things like that. And the back is just a hard piece of yellow paper. And then you have a little pocket here. And it's all fake, it's not real leather, sorry. And it's a type of coated cotton. But yeah, I wanted this size specifically. I almost wanted the bigger one. But yeah, and it's a little binder, so you could put other pieces of paper. You can even go to Michael's and get the right size and put in your own planner. So I thought of doing that. But I do still use an address book. Well, mainly for addresses. This is all for phone. So it says fax name and then fax number and then BP. I don't know what BP means. That's a little weird. Oh, beeper. Why does it have beeper in here? I know I usually don't get funny on my channel, but BP, I think that means beeper. Like I said, all these symbols are really archaic, but that's okay. I'll still use it. But yeah, it's all just notes, and it's just a simple unboxing, but it's got the Louis Vuitton monogram in the dark brown color. And I would say this is probably maybe like 8 inches by 5, but it's it's still pretty heavy because it's got that metal in the middle. But yeah, and it smells good too. It doesn't smell like crap. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this for notes. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about and show you is, remember when I unboxed this? I love this bag. So this is the Dooney & Burke Florentine Cameron Satchel in the color Natural. And I didn't tell you guys this in my previous videos because I didn't notice it. There is something off about this bag that I ordered, and it was from Dooney.com. I have never run into this problem before. Let me know in the comments if you guys have. But I, was unstuffing it, putting my items in there to get it ready to wear for the first time when I noticed something. The inside of the bag, not in a particular area, but the inside of it has a faint smell of mildew. Mildew/mold. And I'm like, oh no, I cannot stand mold or mildew. I avoid it at all costs. It's not good for you. But I look throughout the whole bag and I don't see any spots anywhere. Now, it could be in the back part, in the back zip pocket where it's that dark nylon color, but I didn't see anything offhand. So what I did is I researched it on YouTube. I just typed in how to get rid of mildew/mold in leather bags. There's a lot of videos on it, but there's two methods. Number one is to get a steam cleaner, so like the kind you use for your clothes, and maybe put a rag on the outside if you wish to, and just put the end of that steam cleaner all throughout the inside of the bag and just steam it, because what that does is it does kill a lot of bacteria. A lot of people are doing that for COVID after people try on clothes, and it basically kills any bacteria on contact. I don't know about mold, but it probably would help a lot. So and the other option was it's a method of using lemon juice, cleaning it with that. It's supposed to really disinfect it. I haven't tried that yet, but what I did was I did the steam cleaning method. I did that a few weeks back, and I did it for maybe a good 10 minutes, maybe 8, just getting it all through, just putting it in the bag, put out through crevices, and I fear it's not going to necessarily harm my bag because it's just hot. It's basically hot water. Not like boiling water, but steam. And since it doesn't seem to hurt clothing, which is also organic, this should be just fine. So I just did it for probably a good 8 minutes in the pockets, in the slip pocket, zip pocket, all of them. And then I let it air dry really well. I put it outside. I made sure it was all circulating air. And then I let it sit for a few weeks. But the problem is it still has that smell. Now, it's not like overpowering. Like right here, I can't smell it, but an example is that it's still it's like a medium tone, medium effectiveness of the smell. I'll have my cotton face mask and I'll put it in there, for the whole day. And then when I go to take it out, when I'm done with my day and I smell it for a second, it smells like that same faint mildew smell. And it makes me gross out. Like I need to go wash it. So I don't know. I don't know if I mind getting it on my other items because it does kind of dissipate. I noticed it did dissipate on the mask, but I'm kind of upset because this is my favorite bag. And at the time, I just didn't want to return it, or, I think I got rid of the receipt, but it looked fine, right? Everything on the bag is fine. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I might try that lemon juice method, and it's all over YouTube. Like I said, type in how to get rid of mildew/mold in bags, and there's a lot of the stuff says, or just out of leather, it's just leather in general gets it out really good. And I'll just try it on a small spot first and see how it goes, but just let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Please let me know. But like I said, it's not a bad case of mildew smell, but it's like, I want to say in the medium, scent category. Like if you put your face in here, it's like, oh yeah, you could smell it. I even tried the silica bags, leaving it in there for a while, and it just hasn't helped at all. The silica bags don't. So just let me know, but I'm still gonna keep it. She's my baby. I just love this bag. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of my new purchase. I have 2 more unboxings on the way also from DHgate, and I'm really looking forward to those. Let me know if you guys also have a planner, what do you like about it, and yeah. Hey, that looks pretty good with that. The only thing is, it's a little heavy, but it's because it's got, the metal ring in the middle. So, yeah, that is my unboxing. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm working on it. So, I hope you guys are doing well, staying cool, and staying safe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.